Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, which I thought was a loaded tote because I did not look thoroughly through the box and I'm hosting multiple swaps at once. That's my own fault. But this one is from Sabita and I am actually loving this color scheme as I'm pulling stuff out of the box. So I'm so excited to get into it. She's got so many goodies going on here. I will link all of her information down below so you can give her some crafty love. But I think first I'm going to open up the card. And I didn't look carefully enough. I don't think anything had my name on it specifically. They all looked the same or very, very similar. Let's see. She will tell me though, I'm sure. Okay. Again, I'll go back through and look at my message, but either way, I'll see if there's any specific one that's mine or not. But if not, I think that, like I said, going through everything, everything looked pretty similar, slight differences. But she's got this cute little fall card in here, and inside of the card, she's got a little ATC card, and look how cute. It's like a little, like, Pennywise cat. This is like the most adorable ATC card ever. She's even given it like a red little nose. She's got diamond dots. It's so cute. Its little balloon is full of stuff. This is so cute. Here's her information. Again, I will link everything down below. But this is so cute. I love Pennywise. Pennywise. We have her shakers here. So let's see. Is this attached? It is. So I'll open it up underneath. But look how cute her little bag topper is too. She's got it sewn. Two of them said boo, one said eek. So I left the two boo ones in there so they're the same. So again, I will look back. She's messaged me and I should have looked at it before I opened the box and I didn't. But I wanted to get her video done so I can start swapping out these embellishment boxes. But I love how she's done this. So cute. So we have this, is it just oh, I think it's meant to be like a balloon. And she's got a little bow on here, a little tassel, and all kinds of fun shaker bits. I love these polka dot sequins. They're like some of my favorite sequins. And then there's this, I think it's just called a jack-o'-lantern mug die, shaker die. I'm pretty sure this is Chaos Crafts, and I did not get it this year, but I keep seeing it, and now I feel like I need it. But so cute. Such a good job on the shakers. All right, like I said, she's got tons of stuff here. She's even got ribbon samples, so we have this jack-o'-lantern one, and then this one has skulls. And she's even put little trim on her little bag topper. That's so cute. So cute. And then she's got this. So she's created a wand. Look how pretty this is. I just love orange and bright pink together. I don't know why, but it's so cute. I like this chain that she's done in like hollow colors. So pretty. And then I think, what else she got in here? Sweet treat maybe? Yes. But look at how cute this box is too, or her little gift bag. I've been eyeing this gift bag die and I have not purchased it, but now I think I need to because this is so cute. It's so cute. I feel like I need the holiday add-ons that came out. The little gingerbread guy. Was it gingerbread and Santa, I think, were the add-ons. So let's see, what do we have in here? We have Monster Shape veggie chips. How cute are those? Those are so cute. We have a little mummy pretzel stick. I haven't had a pretzel stick in a long time, so that'll be fun. And we have a sucker. My husband loves blow pop suckers. I don't know what it is about them, but he loves them. Especially when we're going on road trips. Like that is his like go-to road trip candy of choice. Keeps him awake. And then we have this cute little pen. Let's see. Oh, it's just washi taped. Are you gonna come off? I love this paper. This is so cute. I don't know which collection this is. I think this might be Is this the Temu paper? I don't know, but it's really cute. And I'm telling you, Temu is really stepping it up with paper. I got in a couple paper collections from them this year, and I was really impressed. But look how cute her little pen is. She's got a little ghosty and a little tassel. So cute. And then onto her embellishment box. We're finally to her embellishment box, but look at this. She's got, and I'm guessing she's made these. She's made little voodoo dolls. Little felt voodoo dolls. And they're cute, and it comes with a little stick pin. Isn't that cute? That is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, this is so clever. Such a good idea. Nice little twist on something. Love a good voodoo doll. It was like years ago. Remember the little like string wrapped voodoo dolls that were out and about? I don't know, but this is so cute. I love this trim. This like hot pink lace. All right, so here is her embellishment box. I'm gonna unwrap it real quick, but she does have this cute little boo tag on it. So let me open this real quick. Okay, so here's her embellishment box. She's done one of like the little like kissing booths, or they're just like little booths, but they have different little add-ons, and she's done like this haunted. I love that she's done it in like this, it's like a black glossy paper. I've used this paper before. I've gotten mine at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure that you can get it other places, but I love it, and I love how she's done like the hollow paper with it. So cute. And then she's got this chunky yarn tassel to go with it, and all the fun colors. Let's get on to the inside. Oh, look at this. The mail is just not always great. Not that like these are like amazing quality boxes. I mean, I've had them break before, but I think I can fix it. If not, I guess I grabbed a good one to claim as mine. Oh, well, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Don't worry. I'm a good fixer. I've fixed a couple other boxes so far. Here is, she's got all the like swap info on the inside. And then let's look at all of her goodies. So she's got these beads. I think these might be glow in the dark beads. You know how glow in the dark has kind of like that off-white cast. So she's got these beads. Ooh, look at these little black and white designed beads. These are cute. I don't think I've seen those before. Love seeing things I haven't seen before. She's got some little black faceted ones, some striped ones, and then some little clear ones in there, along with more glow-in-the-dark ones. I think they're glow-in-the-dark. I could be wrong, but I think they are. And this one, she's got, ooh, these are fun. I don't know if I've seen these. So these are just little wood stars, but they're all metallic. She's got little foam glue dots on the back, but these are fun. These are like perfect for the holidays coming up. You can use stars like for anything. Stars and hearts are just that standard shape that will go with anything. No, I'm not going to be able to get them back in. How'd you put these in here? Oh, there we go. And then over here we have a little candy treat bag. We have some little candy apples. Look how cute they are. I love how she's used little diamond dots for the eyes. Those are so cute. And we have a little, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that out, but there's a little potion bottle in there. Love it. I especially like little things like this, like in little rosettes. I love getting because they fit so nice in this little box, but they're already paper pieced all together. And some people just don't like little paper piecing. And then she's got like, so she's taken like the faux wax seal little die cuts, and she's popped it up on foam and made the inside, you know, kind of hollow. And she's put like, this one's got a little ghosty with diamond dot eyes and a little coffin. And then this one's got a little spider web in it. Those are really cute. I love that idea. So cute. This one has a couple little bulldog clips in here. We can always use these. Perfect for like a loaded clipboard. I don't know if I've done a loaded clipboard swap in a while. I think last year I did one, but I haven't done one in a while, but those are perfect for them. We have some orange beads over here. So we have this big jack-o'-lantern. We have these like pinky orange beads. We have these like neon orange faceted beads. and these striped orange beads. Oops. And then in this one, we have a little potion bottle, and it's full of diamond dots. So cute and clever. She put it in a little bag in case it opened in transit. These corks don't love to stay in there. And then she's got the sequin mix that is also same color story. So she's used the base as the Michael's clay bit mix this year. It's gorgeous. I really hope that we have a cool one next year. But she's added the polka dot sequins with it. She's got these little pink ones. I don't know if you can see that. There's texture. It's not textured, but maybe like little polka dots. She's got this like creamy orange color in here. So cute. And then over here we have this ghosty guy. She's also she's taken some diamond dots to it. And then these are like, actually I have some on my desk. These are from like Michael's. Sometimes I'll, do like flower centers in here. Hers is a little bit smaller than that size, but she's put it in the little mouth. These are just like vase filler little ghosties, but I love how she's put a little face on it. We got some star beads, and then we also got some spiders of all different colors. So cute. And then over here we have a little heart. Like I said, hearts and stars, you can use these for everything. I like how glossy and shiny that is. And then we have a whole bunch of pink bubblegum type of beads over here. So fun, all different shades of pink. And then down here we have this little like cutesy skull. We have skull beads. We have, what is this? Oh, this is like a gold skull bead. I don't know if I've seen the gold one yet either, and it's got some weight to it, so it's metal. And then we have some flat back skulls in here. Still seeing new stuff. Look at this cute little voodoo little creature here. And then we have, oh, this is like a little silicone ghosty. And then we have some purple gemmies and pearls. We have, what's this, a little ghosty. And then we have some purple and mint faceted beads. Those are fun. She's done a couple more ghosties. These ones don't have faces on them yet, but you could do the faces like the other ones if you wanted to. And then over here we have a couple wire wrapped words. We have boo and eek. So cute. We have a little ghosty, a mummy, and a little skelly guy, and then a bunch of these clay beads. I really love these clay beads. I use them all the time. And then over here we have some of the little clasps. So we have 2 shades of the star clasp and a gold heart one. So you're set to make a fun little dangle. You can hang it from a bulldog clip, so you can do a clipboard with them. You got stuff to do some with embellishments. You have shaker mixes. Like, this is such a fun swap. This was a lot of things. I am so sorry that I thought it was a loaded tote. I will get there eventually. All these swaps will go out eventually, so I would have found it within the next day or so, but yes, thank you for messaging me, Sabita. So make sure you give her some crafty love, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.